Hi, hello, friends and viewers. Welcome to my channel. Learn more about library and information science with the tagline Visualizing New Concepts. Today, I am going to discuss a short topic on library and information science, which will be very useful to all the library professionals. Strategies to be employed while implementing artificial intelligence in a rural library setup. I will just briefly go through certain points which we need to be elaborated if necessary. Strategies to consider. A. Artificial intelligence can be successfully implemented in a rural library setup, providing numerous benefits for both the library and the community it serves, namely understanding the library needs and goals. Firstly, we need to understand the what are the needs and what are the goals to be achieved. Starting with a small scale setup, we need to start with a small budget, and later we can increase. Training the staff and educate patrons, establishing a support system. Considering the community needs, we need to go according to the needs of the community. Regular monitoring and evaluation of the works done at the rural level and rural setup, and prioritize data privacy and security. See, these are all the points on which the rural library setup can be done by using artificial intelligence. And under in the conclusion, we can say that implementing artificial intelligence in rural library setup has numerous benefits such as increased efficiency, improved services, cost savings, etc. It is a very much essential for rural libraries to adapt and embrace new innovations from time to time. Thank you one and all for listening to me. Thank you once again.